Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, not to the sound of an alarm clock, but to the sound of waves crashing on a private beach. You check your bank account, and it's not a question of if you can afford your dreams. It's a question of which dream you'll chase next. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Wrong. Becoming a millionaire in the USA isn't just for the lucky few. It's for those who are willing to take the right steps, starting today. But here's the kicker. If you don't act now, you could be leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to building real wealth? Let's dive in. By the way, if you're watching this on a cracked phone screen, don't worry. This video might just be the first step to upgrading to that iPhone 16 Pro Max. Just saying. Step 1. Change your money mindset. Step 1 to becoming a millionaire? It's not about what's in your wallet. It's about what's in your head. The truth is, most people are held back by a scarcity mindset. They think, I'll never have enough, or money is too hard to make. But here's the reality. Millionaires think differently. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They invest in themselves before they invest in anything else. So, ask yourself, are you ready to shift from a mindset of lack to a mindset of abundance? Because without this shift, the rest of the steps won't matter. Think about it. If you don't change your mindset, you could be stuck in the same financial rut for the next 10, 20, even 30 years. Scary, right? But mindset alone won't make you rich. Stick around because step 2 is where the real magic happens. Step 2. Master the art of saving and investing. Here's the secret sauce. Millionaires don't just earn money, they make their money work for them. Step 2 is all about saving and investing. Start by paying yourself first. That means setting aside at least 20% of your income before you even think about paying bills or buying that latte. Then, invest that money wisely. Whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or a side hustle, the key is to let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Did you know that if you invest just $500 a month, starting at age 25, you could have over $1 million by the time you're 50? That's the power of starting early. By the way, if you're thinking, but I can't afford to save $500 a month, let me ask you this. Can you afford to be broke at 50? Didn't think so. Now, saving and investing are crucial, but they're only part of the equation. Step 3. Increase your income streams. Let's get real. Saving alone won't make you a millionaire if you're only earning $50,000 a year. Step 3 is about increasing your income streams. Start by leveling up your skills. Whether it's learning to code, getting a certification, or mastering sales, investing in yourself will pay dividends. Next, explore side hustles. From freelancing to starting an online business, there are endless ways to earn extra cash. And finally, aim for passive income. Think rental properties, dividend stocks, or even creating a digital product. The more streams you have, the faster you'll reach that $1 million mark. Imagine this. In 5 years, you could have multiple income streams, bringing in thousands of dollars every month, without you lifting a finger. How's that for financial freedom? But here's the thing. Even with all these steps, there's one final secret to becoming a millionaire. Want to know what it is? Stick around until the end. Conclusion. The final secret? Consistency. Becoming a millionaire doesn't happen overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps every single day. Start today. Change your mindset, save and invest wisely, and increase your income streams. Before you know it, you'll be living the life you've always dreamed of. Liked this video? Then you'll love my last one. 5 tips for saving money on a tight budget. Click the end screen to watch it now. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because your journey to financial freedom starts here. See you in the next video.